Good day everyone, I am Priya Kotera. Welcome to video blog of section I, where we're gonna discuss unknown facts about some really interesting topics. So let's get started. Humans are the most advanced species in the world. What if there is another more advanced outrages the human race, which is created by humans themselves? Yes guys, I'm talking about robot. Now please put your hands together for Sumuka, who's gonna share some amazing facts regarding Sophia the robot. So please welcome Sumuka on stage.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Priya. As my dear friend just mentioned, I'm going to speak about an AI robot who goes by the name Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by a Hong Kong-based company called Hanson Robotics. She was first turned on in February of 2016. She is capable of imitating human gestures and facial expressions, and also to answer questions and make simple conversation. She received the Saudi Arabian citizenship as of 2017, making her the first robot to receive citizenship of any country.
Thank you Sumuka, it was really great. If you're a gamer and looking forward in the gaming field, then you can't afford to miss the next segment, as my next speaker is a total game freak. So please welcome Vaibhav, as he's gonna take us on a ride to the future of gaming.
Thank you for such a wonderful introduction, Priya. I think every one of you have played games in mobile phone or computer or PlayStation. But what if I tell you that you can earn money via gaming? Yes, you heard it right. There are many personalities around the world who pursued gaming as a career and now they have become celebrities. I hope in future we will see gaming as a career option and a respectable profession. I would like to end my speech with few words. Choose a job you love and then you don't have to work any day in your life. Thank you.
Thank you Vaibhav, it was really wonderful. Everybody is passionate towards one or other thing. Similarly, my next speaker is passionate towards cricket since his childhood, and he believes the god of cricket none other than Sachin Tendulkar as his idol. Now please welcome Manobi Ram to express his love towards the pride of India, Sachin Tendulkar. So please welcome him.
Thank you, Priya. Hi friends, my name is Manobi Reddy. Today I'm going to speak about a famous cricketer who backs many records and which are still unbreakable. He is none other than Sachin Tendulkar. He was known as God of Cricket. Thank you, friends.
Thank you Manobi Ram, such an honor to know about him. If you're a traveler and terribly missing traveling, perhaps it's time for you guys to buckle up your seatbelts, cause we're about to take off to the world of aviation by Kajal. So please welcome Kajal on stage.
Thank you, Priya, for this beautiful introduction. Today, I am talking about aviation, and it is a quite interesting topic. A word aviation refers to flying using an aircraft. It also includes the activities and industries related to flight, such as air traffic control. The biggest of the many uses aviation are air travel and military aircraft. Now, let us know something about the origin of the aviation. In history, aviation began in the 18th century with the development of the hot air balloon. Some of the most significant advancements of aviation technology come with the controlled gliding effect in 1896. Hence, after that, there was a construction of the force-powered airplane in the early 90s. Thank you, and I hope that this speech has provided you a lot of information. Thank you.
Thank you Kajal for such a wonderful ride. As we all know, we can't lead a life without technology, in particular PC, as my upcoming speaker is just a PC enthusiast who knows the in and out of a computer. So let's welcome Aaron, who's gonna speak few amazing facts about PC. So please welcome him.
Thank you, Priya, for that amazing introduction. Hello guys, my name is Aaron Sankeshwar, and for the next few minutes, I'm going to be taking you across through the wondrous world of PC building and PC industry. So with all that said, let's just dive into it. Now, for most of us, PCs are just a set of components in collaboration trying to accomplish a solution. And there's no limit to it. PC modding is what makes a PC look unique, be different, and be one of its kind. Now, I've been onto PC builds for over 2 years, and finally a few weeks ago I was able to build a PC for one of my best friend. It's a gaming rig, looks really flashy, is really cool, and performs amazing. The unreal moment was when you could just imagine the amount of money pouring into that industry. And with time, it's been growing more and more every single day. Now, those were my insights from PC building and PC industry. Sadly enough, that's all the time we have for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to Priya. Thank you so much for sticking by, having a view. I'll see you next time. Stay home, stay safe. See you.
Thank you, Arun. It was mind-blowing, wasn't it? Moving on, last but not the least, you're surely gonna love the last segment. As we all know, art is considered one of the best ways to express one's creativity. So do my next speaker. So please welcome Bhavna to share her knowledge regarding arts. So please welcome her.
Thank you, Priya, for that wonderful introduction. Hello, everyone. I am Bhavna Brahma from New Horizon College of Engineering, Bangalore. My topic today is art. Art is a diverse range of human activities involving the creation of visual, auditory, or performing artifacts which express the creator's imagination. Visual art are painting, sculpture, and architecture. Music, theatre, film, dance, and other performing arts, as well as literature and other media, such as interactive media, are included in imaginative or technical skills stemming from human agency and creation. Now that's art for you.
Thank you, Bhavna. It was really mesmerizing. That's all for today, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I'm willing to meet you guys for the next segment of Vlog. Till then,
Hello everyone. I'm Ishita and we study in the same class. Today we have organized this meeting to introduce ourselves to each other. But there's a catch. So I would like Kajol to explain the rules of this game. So yeah, Kajol, you can go ahead.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Ishita. In this game, first person will introduce himself and then he will nominate other person's name. In this way, all people have to be very attentive so they do not nominate a person twice in a row.
Seems to be a very interesting game, but what is the purpose of this nomination?
You asked a very genuine question, Likita. For students, good introduction is very important. In any job interview, the first question interviewer asks is our introduction. So according to statistics, 90% candidates get rejected after this question. Now, you might be thinking that since I have given my biodata to that interviewer, then why he is asking me when everything is written on the paper? Well, the purpose behind asking this question is that he wants to know 3 things about yourself. That is your communication skill, how do you present yourself, and your confidence level.
And this nomination process shows your concentration. As the topic raised, let me just brief you on the importance of concentration. The ability to focus the attention is one of the most important abilities one should possess. However, this is something that can be fixed. The ability to focus can be developed like any other skill.
Shivam and Omini, both of you have explained it very well to our viewers. So let us start from Ishita, as they say, ladies first.
Okay, thank you, Aditru. So as everyone knows, my name is Ishita and I come from Shimla, originally from Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. And my hobby is to get a good job. Now I would like to nominate Kajol.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Kajol Agarwal. I am from Darjeeling, West Bengal. My hobby is to listen music. The place where I want to visit after lockdown is Manali. I would like to nominate Omini.
Thank you, Kajol, for nominating me. My name is Omini Rao. I'm basically from Warangal but currently living in Hyderabad. I enjoy dancing in my leisure time. Now I would like to nominate Likita.
Thank you, Omni. My name is Likita and I'm from Bangalore. My hobbies are to play badminton and to listen songs. My aim in life is to be a good human being and to inspire others. I now nominate Aritru.
Thank you for nominating Likita. My name is Aritra Kumar Chaudhary. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I would like to nominate Shivam.
Thank you for nominating me, Aritru. My name is Shivam Anand, and I am born and raised in a small district of Bihar called Purnia. My hobbies are reading books and playing cricket. I wish to visit Kerala, and according to me, I will be successful in my mind. So this was the first part of our game, and we will be back soon. Thank you.